Today, we'll explore the power and flexibility of a Magento e-commerce website. We will share 11 dynamic strategies to optimize your site, manage your inventory, and boost your sales. So let's dive in. Magento is a flexible e-commerce platform. It allows merchants to create an online presence, manage inventory, and provide seamless shopping to customers. Magento stands out due to its robust architecture and extensive capabilities. It offers flexibility, control, and diverse payment methods. Let's look at some effective strategies to boost Magento sales. Magento 2 offers SEO-friendly features. Optimize homepage and product metadata, add alt text to product images, and set up automatic URL rewrites. A slow website can result in higher bounce rates. Minimize image sizes, use a CDN, and enable Magento's built-in full-page caching. Quality content serves as a guide to customers. Conduct keyword research, use storytelling techniques, and regularly refresh your website's content. Ensure a mobile-friendly website. Use responsive design themes, high-quality images, and simplify the checkout process for mobile users. Magento 2 enables easy integration with social media platforms. Share appealing product images, encourage user-generated content, and run targeted ad campaigns. Increase your average order value through upselling, cross-selling, and product bundling. Offer upgraded product versions or complementary products to customers. Your choice of hosting affects website performance and security. Look for a provider with experience in Magento that offers automatic backups and server-level caching. Seasonal promotions can increase sales. Use Magento's tools to manage these campaigns and track their success. Simplify the checkout process to reduce cart abandonment. Provide guest checkout, multiple payment options, and automate emails to remind customers to complete purchases. Collect and analyze customer feedback to enhance your products and services. Consider Magento's built-in review system and advanced analytics tools. Ensure optimal user experience and visibility. Evaluate your website functionality, manage your data accurately, and assess your website's marketability. Magento e-commerce website is a powerful tool for businesses. You can optimize your site carefully for enhanced customer experience and increased sales. Properly implementing these techniques can make a vast difference in your performance metrics. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.